Hello, I'm Kimberly Ann O'Connor, and I have the honor of presenting 12-Step Recovery and Technique, Hypnotic Language and Technique for Individuals and Addiction Treatment Centers. So in this 50 minutes, I'm going to offer clarity around how to leverage 12-step belief systems, the steps, the practices, the principles, what to say, what to never say, and how to move yourself into work with individuals and perhaps more specifically treatment centers to offer really valuable, incredible hypnotic experiences to people who truly need them while being conscientious, educated, and clear how best to serve somebody working under the umbrella and living under the umbrella of a 12-step ideology. And so I'm just so delighted. I cannot even wait. I've been telling everyone and their mom about this opportunity, this exciting place and space where hypnotists get to bring our bodies and our minds into the same space to really enrich each other. And I'm delighted. I'm so very, very excited.